This is a very short video. Listen to it completely, you may find it useful at some point. Or you may get some understanding. Hey friend, if you want to know such health news from time to time, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon gently. Also hit a like. If the video wants to reach many more people, it will happen with the like you hit. Listen.
Want your skin to glow with Korean glass skin look? Korean beauty trend has become very popular on social media. Glass skin means skin that is deeply hydrated from inside and looks bright, smooth and glowing from outside. Many people spend a lot on serums and chemical treatments. Experts say glass skin can also be achieved with simple home remedies. Home remedies for glass skin. Rice paste. Soak 1 cup of rice overnight. In the morning make a soft paste and add a little baking soda. Gently massage on the face, leave for 15 to 20 minutes and wash. Doing this twice a week may show improvement in 1 or 2 months. Rice water. Wash 1 cup of rice 4 to 5 times. Add 2 to 3 cups of water and soak for 10 to 12 hours. Strain and pour into a spray bottle. Spray on the face twice a day. It works as a natural toner. Aloe vera gel. Mix aloe vera gel with vitamin E oil and apply as a night cream before sleeping. Using regularly for a month may reduce spots and make the face brighter. Additional tips. Cleanse daily, use moisturizer and apply sunscreen. Drink enough water. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Get proper sleep. Precautions. Do a patch test on the inner arm before first use. Do not use too much baking soda as it can dry the skin. People with sensitive skin should be careful. Stop if allergy appears. Results vary from person to person. Consult a dermatologist for serious skin issues.